ladies and gentlemen, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, and it's another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today is January 20th. Happy birthday to my sister, and Merry Christmas. You all get a new president here in the United States, and I'm pretty grooved. I'm down with that. And you're also going to get to watch me make some pho. Now, you've had this guy for a little while. I hope he's treating you well. I think our kindly new president is probably doing quite nicely. But yeah, this came from a guy named James in Lakeside, California. Some beef pho noodle. So let's, as they like to say in the industry, get it on. Put it in here. Tupperware container style thing. So yeah, I am beat. Quite a morning because of the bowl. And it was good. I was expecting for it to be a really like dry, boring inaugural ceremony thing. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. I'll admit, I let my daughter doesn't have school usually on Wednesdays, but my son does. I let him play hooky from his first class. I figure, like, you know, it's an online class. You're gonna be watching a screen. Why not watch our TV and watch our new president come into play? And it was good. They liked it. Actually, when they were playing Hail to the Chief right after Biden got inaugurated, they started dancing. I did get a clip of them dancing after. They were dancing before it, though. They were like going around in circles and stuff and all happy. And they liked Lady Gaga singing. They didn't like the J-Lo. I'm not a big fan of J-Lo. And honestly, I think it's alright. But that whole weird poetry thing, I don't know. I've never been a fan of that kind of poetry. That's cool. They liked it. It was neat. It was different. We have a National Youth Poet Laureate. That's cool. I mean, good for her. Definitely. Yeah. Got out and walked this morning, like 7 miles, and listened to the little speech Trump did that he couldn't really get anybody to go see. There are a few people there, I guess. Here's what we got. And yeah, when he took off to go to Florida, I guess he's gonna play bocce now? Is that what you do? After you lose an election and you kind of fade into the pygmy twilight? I don't know. But that's that. Somebody wins, somebody loses. But that is definitely that. No more. No more Trump. So hopefully people aren't too, like, lost their minds about it. It's really... How long does this go? I'm sorry, folks. I am beat. Super tired. Hot water 3 to 5 minutes. So we're going to do it for 4 now. There you are. Hey, yeah. We have a new president. Brand new funky president. And our old president left while playing, what was that song? Fortunate Son by CCR. Kind of ironic. Isn't that kind of ironic? He's appearing! He's appearing out of thin air like Jedi.
Absolutely.
Yeah, see, he thinks it's ironic too. If you can even hear that. Yeah, I ordered one last thing. I think not today, but soon. I got like crap loads of election stickers, pins, mail, all sorts of crap during the last year or more. And yeah, I've got a big collection, and I bought the last thing for it yesterday. Our friend, the author Matthew Bella of www.matthewbella.com, he sent me this link to Amazon where they were selling second-term presidential Trump coins for like $10 a pop. I'm like, wow, that really sums it up. So I got one. Okay. I think I already did this one, but I might not have, but I'll do this one in the next one. 158. Oh wait, 159. No, now I'm really confused. I don't think I've done either of those. Oh, you know what? Here we go, 157. If you know your proper limits, you will have no need to overreach. Okay. Just gonna do something. What was I gonna do? Was it important?
Forget that. Forget all of that.
Okay. Well, I already forgot about what it was. Yeah. Yup. I don't know. I'm gonna be kind of bored. We're not gonna. It's like now the breaking news is there is no more breaking news. There is no breaking news. You know, the guy like Twitter's something weird because he's not on Twitter anymore. There are a lot of people. I just always found it interesting to watch all the events. Watch this stuff by a group called Right Side Broadcasting. And they just kind of sprung out of nowhere and like would cover all this Trump stuff. Now they're banned, I believe, on Twitter and YouTube. That part of the whole deal I'm not such a big fan of. But, you know, the thing that happened in D.C., the other day I was like thinking about it, that doesn't seem like it was that big of a deal. Then I started seeing all the footage and oh god. What are you guys doing? Not like you're robbing a liquor store. Which I don't condone either, but still, it's like... Ugh. What a mess. I mean, that's like a federal crime you don't want to be committed of or busted for. Not that there are any you'd really want to get in trouble for, but you know what I'm saying. Going in and trying to sack the... What do you call it? The Capitol. That generally, I don't think that's a... You should get a background check for a new gig. Took part in Capitol... Siege on the Capitol. Oh, yeah. We found somebody who's more qualified. I think people from that, they've gotten fired. Like, bosses find out that they took part in that and they get, like, canned. I don't know. But a neat day for our country. Today. Beef, The thing that pho is known for is the broth. And this broth, kind of lacking. Some of the pho that I've had has been like way too salty. This one's way too bland. At least for my liking. Man, I am so tired. I don't know why. I don't know, the whole, oh, come on. What's going on here? Was there a banana getting in my way? The whole deal today has been kind of draining. What do you get drained from? From watching the election stuff? Yeah. I mean, it's a big deal. I mean, I've been following all this political stuff for the election for, God, about 2 years now. Got a vested interest in it. I like to get the bowl centered correctly. Not so good at it. I just need like little rings that I can look at on the bottom. That's good enough for me. Give it a little swizzle. Let's give it one more try. Where did I put my fork? Well, maybe I won't give it a try. I don't know where my fork went. Where did I put my fork? I just had it. Am I like, is it like on my head or something stupid? Just a little bit of beef. I went and I picked up some beef this morning because, you know, it's beef. I had to get it at my local grocery store, which is the only place I like to get the stir-fry beef, right? Well, guess what? They're cutting it funky now, so I am really not thrilled with that. I don't have any basil, but I do have spring onion. That's something. I put my fork. It's just like evading me. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Well, I'll give it a try after I take the pretty pictures. There's this, and then there's Shark brand, and then there's Sriracha Paniche. I like the Shark brand. This one, not so much, but that's all I got. There you go. Else? Some people might like a little bit of pepper flake. Maybe a little mid-range, I don't know. A little bit of sesame seed. So let's allow the deal to happen. Let's close escrow on this bowl of noodles. All right. This is going to be a 3-day spectacular all about the inauguration, so there we go with Sleepy the Ramen Raider here coming at you. Alright, have a good one. Bye-bye.